Hi everyone, I'm studying in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Bengaluru. My name is Hima Shankar. I'm from Audi section and the subject is maths. The topic I have got is Introduction to Linear Algebra. So, what is linear algebra? Linear algebra is a branch of mathematics that deals with linear equations and their representations in the vector space using matrices. In other words, linear algebra is the study of linear functions and vectors. It is one of the most central topic of mathematics. Most modern geometrical concepts are based in linear algebra. Linear algebra facilitates the modeling of many natural phenomena and hence is an integral part of engineering and physics. Linear equations, matrices, and vector spaces are most important components of this subject. What is matrix? The mathematics a matrix is a rectangular array or a table of numbers, symbols, or expressions arranged in rows and columns, which is used to represent a mathematical object or a property of such an object. A set of m and n elements written in form m row, n column in the brackets is called matrix of order m into n. Is a matrix the element A11, A12, A13 and it continues to the A1n are the principle of diagonal elements. Types of matrices. As you can see here, we can see a row matrix, column matrix, zero matrix, square matrix, scalar matrix, unit matrix, and diagonal matrix. Let us learn more about these types of matrices one by one. Let's start with the row matrix. In mathematics, a row matrix is a type of matrix that has a single row. If the matrix is in the order of 1 into n, then it is a row matrix. The elements are arranged in the order such that they represent a single row in the matrix. As you can see the example here, there is only a row, so it can also be called as 2 into 0. Column matrix. A column matrix is a type of matrix that has only one column. The order of the column matrix is represented by m into 1. Thus, the row will have single elements arranged in a way that they represent a column matrix. Zero matrix. In matrix, particularly linear algebra, a zero matrix or null matrix is a matrix. All of those entries are zero. A square matrix. A square matrix is a matrix that has equal number of rows and columns. In mathematics, m into m matrix is called as a square matrix of order m. A square matrix having all the elements below the principal diagonal is called as upper triangular matrix. A square matrix having all the elements above the principal diagonal is called as lower triangular matrix. So here the diagonal elements are 1, 3, 5. The upper triangular matrix are above the principal diagonal matrix that is 2, 3 and 4 and below the diagonal matrix is called the lower triangular matrix that is 2, 3, 4. Scalar matrix is a type of diagonal matrix. The diagonal elements in this is same, that is 555, 333 or any else number may be 44444 which can be 4 matrix. Unit matrix. Identity matrix is the matrix which is n square matrix where the diagonal consists of ones and the other elements are all are zero. It is called as a unit matrix. It is also the scalar matrix where the diagonal elements is only one, can also be said as a unit matrix. Coming to the diagonal matrix, the linear algebra. A diagonal matrix is a matrix in which the entries outside the main diagonal are all zero. The term usually refers to the square matrix. Elements of the main diagonal can either be zero or non-zero. Except the diagonal element, rest all the elements must be zero, that are called as a diagonal matrix, and the diagonal number can be any number such as here 498, or any other number such as 123, anything. It can also contain zero or non-zero entities. That's nothing an issue. Then we come to the orthogonal matrix. In a linear algebra, an orthogonal matrix is a square matrix with real number of elements. In a orthogonal matrix, each row and column is perpendicular to each other. Each is perpendicular to each other row and column. This means that each row and column has magnitude 1. Each row and column has magnitude 1, and another row column has magnitude 1. This represented the orthogonal matrix, and the final answer should be the identical matrix. Identity matrix of 2 cross 2 matrices 1 0 and 0 1. So orthogonal matrix will always be identity matrix. Operations on matrices. For matrix multiplication, the number of rows and columns must be equal to the number of rows and columns of the second matrix. The resulting matrix, known as the matrix product, has the number of rows of the first and the number of column of the second matrix. The product matrices A and B is denoted by AB. In addition, the number of rows and the number of columns of the first matrix should be equal to the number of rows and columns of the second matrix. It is multiplied as first element of the first matrix and second element of the first matrix should be added, and second element of the first matrix and second element of the second element should be added. That is 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, 2 plus 5 is equal to 7, and here 3 plus 7 is equal to 10, 5 plus 9 is equal to 14. Even the subtraction goes the same way as the addition A minus B, that is A matrix first element is 5 minus 1 first element is of the second element is 1, that is 5 minus 1 is equal to 4, and then A minus B goes to 6 minus 2, here it's mentioned, and then 7 minus 3, 8 minus 4. So this comes with the subtraction of the matrices and addition of the matrices. And then we move on to the multiplication of the matrices. Multiplication of matrices seems bit complicated, but it's very easy to do. Like for matrix multiplication, the number of columns in the first matrix must be equal to the number of rows in the second matrix. The resulting matrix know the matrix product as the matrix of the row of the first and the number of the column of the second matrix. It's denoted as AB. The first matrix is elements are A, B, C, D, and second matrix element are W, X, Y, Z. So it is done by first row first element into first column first element plus second first row second element into first row second column, that is A into W and plus B into Y. Then again first row second column, that is A into X plus B into Z. That is first element with the first element multiplication, second element with the second element multiplication. Add that both, you will get the product. Then again continuing first row second row first column, second row second column, C into W plus D into Y, C into X plus D into Z. So this is the matrix multiplication, and we are ending up the topic. Thank you so much for watching the video.